Morning everyone, it is just after 5:30 in the morning. It is Saturday morning and I am heading towards Galaxy's Edge for the first time. As you can see, I'm a huge Star Wars fan and I'm really excited for this moment. I've been looking forward to a Star Wars themed theme park for so long, and now it's finally here and I get to experience it. So I'm just gonna get some last minute things together and head out to Hollywood Studios. I should be there a little bit after 6. I'm not too worried about the lines for Smugglers Run because I'm gonna be hopping in single riders, and yeah, I just can't wait to experience the land. Everything I've seen looks amazing, and I just hope it lives up to my expectations. So I'll see you guys in a little bit over at Hollywood Studios. It's happening, guys. I'm just waiting for the Uber to show up and I'm on my way to Hollywood Studios to experience Galaxy's Edge for the first time. I'm so excited. Right now it's showing like a 70-minute wait for Smugglers Run, but I feel like that is inflated just because everyone just got in. It'll probably be shorter once I get there. Plus, I'm gonna be doing single rider, so I probably won't have to wait that long. So excited.
Hello.
Hello.
Alright, you're still gonna stand up ahead, okay?
Thank you.
That was really good. That's good. Maybe then we'll continue to like do short wait times for our notes right now. Alright, so we're in. What is this?
Good morning. Good
Droid. It's a Gonk powered droid. Here we have the A-Wing. If you're a Star Wars collector, the vintage A-Wing is one of the harder ships to get. Rusted out R5 unit. Got some weapons up on the wall there. I wish you could buy all of these. these ships is crazy. Oh my god. This is insane. I'm in Galaxy's Edge now, and I just ordered the blue milk with the rum. I was gonna order just the blue milk, but I heard that it was kind of terrible and that the one with rum is better. So I'm gonna give that a try now. It's actually not that bad. It's got like chunks in there, kind of like slush chunks. Kind of tastes a little bit like the children's medicine with the banana. Kind of has that kind of aftertaste to it, but it's also got rum in it, so I was a huge fan of that medicine growing up, so I don't hate it. I don't know about the blue milk itself. I'll try that later. I'm gonna be here like another 4 or 5 days, so I'll give it a try then. But right now, the blue milk with the rum in it, really good. It doesn't matter that it's only 7 a.m. That's totally okay. Order your blue milk with rum. And I just look behind me and Ray's over near the Millennium Falcon. I think I'm gonna go have a look. Look at the detail on this thing. And it's absolutely massive. Yep. Oh my god. Somehow I managed to get a pilot in single rider. This is crazy.
Friends, can I have ground credentials over here with me, please? Ground credentials.
Get closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
Oh, this is amazing.
Hyperdrive leak. that is not too good.
That's fine.
Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. Okay, that's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there.
So I just got off of Smugglers Run. I did single rider and I was able to be one of the pilots, which was amazing. I was the right pilot, which let me do the hyperspeed and all that fun stuff. I just got off the ride and I'm heading back on. So I'm heading right back on and seeing what position I get this time. So excited, it's so good.
Pilots to be lined up first. Gunners in the middle. Engineers in the back. Anybody else blue credentials? I'm missing pilots with blue credentials.
So I just got off from being a pilot and now I'm an engineer. This is 2 rides within like 10 minutes. So I've left Galaxy's Edge. It's amazing. I'll be back in a couple hours for my reservations at Oga's and for my reservation at Droid Factory. But right now I'm over in Toy Story Land and I'm doing Space Ranger Spin, and they're basically just tossing you into Fast Pass line because no one's over here. So I rode Smugglers Run 3 times and now I'm doing this walk on.
There you are. May the
Thank
force
you.
be with you.